Here I am with Daniel Lang. He is the GM of Torizon. How are you doing?
Great, thanks a lot for having me.
So, interesting demonstration going on here. A lot of AI object recognition. Tell me about what you're demoing.
Yeah, so here we really show the AI power of the AM69 or TDA4 from TI. So it's a very strong NPU with over 30 TOPS. And here we leverage that and show how many neural networks you can run in parallel and a typical edge application. And we see a lot of adoption of that product in robotics and drone application, where you need high performance edge AI.
And what are you running down here? I mean, it looks a bit different to what you've got going on over there.
Yeah, so Toradex has different form factors, right? So here we show a word-in form factor. We're from TI AM62, AM62P. For the AM69, that's a more high-performance system. And here we use a form factor called Aquila. This has a two board-to-board connector, so you can get more power out, and it's really for high-performance AI application.
And how have you found partnership with Texas Instruments working for you?
Very, very good. We are very proud to be one of the few premium partners, and we really help TI to make their great hardware and software accessible, right? For Toradex, our main core goal is make embedded computing easy, right? So we take, for example, here the AI part and make it accessible for more customers, and we also take care of the Linux OS, of how the hardware, also make it easier to integrate the hardware, because it's a very high performance module, so it's quite complex to routing, there's a lot of high speed signal, and we make it very easy so that a lot of people, even that don't have all the skill or all the knowledge available to use these TI products.
Great. And it's a difficult market to get into. I can see you've got quite a bit of power there, but there's a lot of people doing edge AI, object recognition. How have you found breaking into the market?
Yeah, of course we have great partners like TI, right? But another thing is we really help people going into volume production, right? So there's a lot of excitement and demos and experiment and proof of concepts, right? So what us differentiated, Toradex, we really work for application where reliability and scalability is key. So we not just provide the AI part, right? We also provide a Linux operating system and hardware which is long-term available. We even help people to comply with the latest security regulation and so on. So we are really the right partner if you not just want to do a proof of concept and show up. If you really want to go to volume production into critical application, Toradex is your right partner, and that's how we differentiate to many other AI focused companies.
Well, thank you very much for showing us through that, Daniel. Good to meet you, Daniel Lang.
Thanks so much for having me again. Thank you.